I went from my heaviest to feeling lean and confident after 30 and after kids. I tried every program, every diet, nothing stuck until I fixed 7 tiny things I do every single day.
This isn't about hacks. It's about daily habits that stopped the all-or-nothing spiral and finally made weight loss feel simple. I'm sharing exactly what I changed, how it felt, and what I'd do if I had to start again tomorrow. For years, I treated bread, pasta, and rice like enemies. I'd be good all week, bunless burgers, spiralized veggies, then crash into cravings and eat way past full. I thought I had a willpower problem. I didn't. I had a restriction problem.
When I made carbs part of a normal, balanced plate, protein, fiber, and smart portions, the obsession disappeared.
The scale stopped yo-yoing. My meals looked like real meals, not punishment. My days used to be a blur of low-cal snacks, a bar here, an apple there, just a handful of crackers. I was never satisfied and always thinking about food. Now I ask one question before I eat. What's my protein? Eggs and toast, chicken and rice, Greek yogurt with fruit. Building around protein stabilized my hunger, stopped the constant nibbling, and made my calories work harder for me. Saving calories in the morning backfired. Coffee-only mornings turned into mid-morning scrounging and late afternoon overeating. I told myself hunger was discipline. It wasn't. It was underfueling. A protein-packed breakfast, eggs, yogurt, or leftover chicken with some carbs, quieted the snack spiral and gave me steady energy for workouts and
And
work.
tiny meals kept my brain noisy. When can I eat next? What can I have for the fewest calories? Instead, I learned volume eating.
I fill my plate with protein, lots of veggies, and a smart carb. Bigger, balanced plates left me satisfied and done until the next mealtime. No more grazing my way through half a day's calories. Dinner used to be a perfection contest. Low cal, low carb, high protein, homemade, different every night. It was exhausting. I stripped it back to 7 go-to dinners I can make on autopilot. Tacos, chicken salad, salmon with potatoes, stir fry, soup plus toast, pasta with lean protein, and a breakfast for dinner option. Grocery shopping got easier, tracking got simpler, and my evenings became calmer, so I actually stuck to my plan. Most days, I used to save calories for dinner, then I'd open the floodgates at night. Seconds, bites while cleaning up, extra chocolate because I already messed up. It felt like a lack of control. It was just my body trying to catch up. Now I space my food across the day: breakfast, lunch, an afternoon snack, and dinner. By evening, I'm not depleted, so I can eat like a normal human and move on. All or nothing thinking wrecked my progress. If I overate at lunch, I'd write off the whole day and promise to start tomorrow. Real change happened when I let okay days count. Now, my rule is simple. The next choice is the comeback. Not perfect, present. I track loosely, forgive fast, and keep going. Consistency without perfection is what stacked my results. What a day looks like now. Breakfast, Greek yogurt, fruit, granola, or eggs and toast. Lunch, chicken, rice, big salad. Snack, protein plus produce, yogurt with fruit, cheese with apple. Dinner, 1 of 7. Salmon plus potatoes and veg, or tacos, or pasta with lean protein, or breakfast for dinner. Water and movement. I sip water all day and aim for steps or short workout I actually enjoy. Eat like the person I'm becoming, not the person I'm escaping. Don't negotiate with the next 5 minutes. Plan for the next 5 days. One choice is never the whole story. The next choice counts more. I'd pick 2 habits: protein first meals and a real breakfast. I'd practice those for 2 weeks, then add volume plates, then simplify dinner. Layer one habit at a time and let the results stack. These 7 daily habits are how I lost about 50 pounds after 30 and kept it off. Which one resonates with you right now? If this helped, tap subscribe and I'll share my meal rotation and beginner workout in the next video.
Everyone's different. If you have medical conditions or a history with disordered eating, talk to a professional who knows your background. This is my experience. Use what serves you. Until later. Did you enjoy the video? Subscribe to our channel, Health and Wellness for All, for more tips and information. See you soon.